Where to find the best sites. Beaches and beach vacations. Hi. The best internet resources about how to watch the fireworks on the beach in New Jersey. These selected resources on the web might help you. Our top-ranked site to learn about how to watch the fireworks on the beach in New Jersey is theviewwatch.blogspot.com. Specifically the page titled The View Watch, blogspot.com. Here's the link. You can also try www.queenmary.com, especially the page The Queen Mary One-of-a-Kind Long Beach Experience. This is the link. Last but not least, try our third-ranked site www.youtube.com. The web page How to Stop Porn Addiction. We can help stop pornography. Here's the link.